Good morning, all of you. I am Assistant Professor Kute Akshada from SND Engineering and Research Center, Evla. Today's topic is graphene. What is graphene? Graphene is physically acts as a two-dimensional material. This leads to many properties that are electrically beneficial, such as high electron mobility and lower power usage. Graphene is currently in its infant stage and is undergoing many applications and studies. Graphene is a single layer of carbon atoms organized in hexagonal lattice. When graphene sheets are neatly stacked on the top of each other and form into a three-dimensional shape, it becomes graphite. Graphene is the basic building block of other graphite materials. It also represents a new class of material that are only one atom thick, so called two-dimensional materials. It was discovered at Manchester University by Russian-born scientists. They won Nobel Prize in 2010 for their discovery. It is a layer of carbon, a single atom thick, stronger than diamond, but stretches like rubber and conducts electricity much more times than copper. On the screen, these are the structure of graphene. What is graphene? Two-dimensional crystalline allotrope of carbon. Allotrope, property of chemical elements to exist in two or more forms. Single layer of graphite. Honeycomb hexagonal lattice. The structure is hexagonal like a honeycomb. Graphene versus other allotropes. Graphene, graphite, nanotubes and fullerenes. These are the structure of graphene, graphite, nanotubes and fullerenes. In the last of bottom, these are the fullerenes, and the first is graphene, second is graphite, third is nanotube. Graphene is an allotrope of carbon in the form of two-dimensional atomic scale, hexagonal lattice in which one atom forms each vertex. It is a basic structural element of other allotropes, including graphite, charcoal, carbon nanotubes, and fullerenes. It can also be considered as an identifiably large aromatic molecule, the ultimate case of the finally of the flat polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. The extraordinary characteristics of graphene originate from the 2p orbitals which form the pi state bands that delocalize over the sheet of carbon that constitute graphene. Methods of preparation of graphene: direct exfoliation of graphite intercalation method, and graphite oxide method. The three types of methods are used to preparation of graphene. Next, electrical properties. The Fermi level can be changed by doping to create a material that is better at conducting electricity. Experimental graphene's electron mobility is 15,000 cm square, and theoretically potential limits. Graphene electrons are like photons in mobility due to lack of elective electron and hole mass. These charge carriers are able to travel sub-micrometer distances without scattering. These are electrical properties of graphene. Next, mechanical strengths. Bond length 1.42 nanometer long. It is very strong bond. Strongest material ever discovered. Ultimate tensile strength of 130 gigapascals compared to 402 megapascals for structural steel. Very light at 0.77 milligrams per square meter. Paper is 1000 times heavier. Single sheet of graphene can cover a whole football field while weighing under 1 gram. Also, graphene is very flexible. It is brittle, preventing structural use. Next, optical properties of graphene. Graphene absorbs 2.3% of white light. These are the structure. Optical electronics absorbs less than 10% white light. Highly conductive. It is a strong and flexible. It is a graphene in transmitted light. Other applications: OLED technologies and graphene use the body armor, lightweight aircraft vehicles. Graphene used as photovoltaic cells in superconductors, in filtration processes, and in biological engineering. These are many applications of graphenes. Optical electronics, touchscreen, LTD, OLED, composites and energy storage. Devices. In these devices graphene are used. Thank you.